Hey everyone, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about this 4-foot 2-inch barbell. I do want to mention I purchased this product. Let's get started. So once you open that box, it arrives in this tube right here. Check that out. End caps, you can remove them. But here is the barbell. You do have these parts right here where you grip it, so you can get better grip here. And check it out. You can do many exercises with these. You can even do overhead press. You can do squats, and pretty much you can do anything with this barbell. You also do receive 2 clamps. You just got the end right here. There you go. And they do not come off. So we're gonna go ahead and put some plates on here. See the clamps, using the weights. These are bumper plates. So basically I can do my deadlifts just like that. Pulls. And the plates are not moving, as you can see. Now I can do pulls. So overall they were great, easy to use. And that concludes the video on this barbell. Thank you.